Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create your very own Valentine's Day box of chocolates.
Hey, no, no,
The first step is to find a box to fill your goodies in. I found this heart-shaped box at Walmart, and it's a pretty deep box for what I am using it for, so I raised up the base by adding a few pieces of egg carton, and then I topped it off with a cardboard, which I cut into a heart. I recommend adding cupcake liners prior to adding your sweets. The flexibility of the liners will help you puzzle them into whatever shape box you are using. It will help keep all the items separated and organized. For my Valentine's Day box of chocolates, I decided to make chocolate-covered strawberries, peanut butter chocolates, and chocolate-covered gummy bears. If you're interested in learning how I made any of these, you can find the tutorial links down in the description box. I know that Valentine's Day can be overrated for some people, but I look at it as every holiday is an opportunity to express your love just a little bit more. As couples, married or not, we eventually fall into a comfortable routine, which oftentimes may dull out the relationship. I think holidays whisper the reminder that it's the little things that count the most. I believe gift giving is a universal love language because who doesn't crack a smile when they get a little gift here and there? What are your thoughts about Valentine's Day? Comment them down below. I hope I was able to spark some ideas for some of you who do like to celebrate this day. And thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with more ideas in a couple of days. Bye guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create your very own Valentine's Day box of chocolate.
Chocolate.